Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So today I have this. This is the FPV Crate, sub 250 crate for the month of October. And we're going to go take a quick look at it. And stick around, pay attention. So I'll talk about how you can get one of these free. So let's head over to the bench and see what we got. So this is, like I said, for October. Sorry I'm a little late to the game on this one. On vacation, out of town when this one came in. So we're a little behind here, so let's get in it and take a look. I'm sure you've already seen what's in this, but I'll be honest, I haven't. So here we go. Sub 250 crate. Got some stickers. These are all TBS branded stickers. And there's a gift card for $25 off the tracker line. So one of the things I did hear about is nobody knew what this was when the crate came out, but I know what it is now. So in here, big item, the TBS Unify Pro 32 Nano, version 1.1. Not really sure what the difference is in all the versions, but this is one very, very nice VTX. This is by far one of my favorites, especially for the micros and the race builds that I've been doing. This is the top of the heap for micro VTXs. The only thing that I would use other than this one is probably, and surprisingly, the Eachine Nano. Also a very good VTX, but definitely not as good as the Unify Pro 32. And also in the box we have a Lumineer Axie 2 lollipop antenna with a MMCX connector to go perfectly with the Pro 32 Nano. So let's talk about the TBS Tracer. TBS, they said, why would you use 2.4 gigahertz? Because it's crap. Buy our 900 megahertz crossfire system. Then people started figuring out some of the advantages of 2.4 gigahertz, like FR Sky and Immersion RC, and this is TBS's entry into that market of 2.4 gigahertz ultra low latency receivers. Am I going to be switching to tracker? No, I'm not. Yes, it's ultra low latency. I'm not going to see the difference, and the big thing I don't like about it, at least from what I've seen right now, is it still needs two antennas. Two of the big reasons I don't like 900 megahertz for racing, which is typically what I do the most, is the extra lengthy antennas and the fact that if you clip an antenna, you're pretty much done, whereas 2.4 is very resilient and can handle having a little bit missing off the end of the antenna. Crossfire cannot. There are PCB-based antennas which work okay. So how do you get yourself this sub 250 crate, one exactly like this? Obviously not already opened. Well, first thing, you need to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and put a comment down there saying that you want a crate. And then go to the video description and find the link to the Google Forms, fill it out, and I will pick a winner on a live stream, probably on, say, I don't know, on the 14th. We'll pick a winner on the 14th for a free GetFPV sub 250 crate containing all this goody stuff right here. If you're outside the US, you will have to cover shipping. So one of these crates to one lucky viewer right here in the camera. Make sure you sub, like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, sub and subscribe. Those are the same things. Do all that stuff. Hit the Google form, and I will pick a lucky winner on a live stream. You don't need to be present to win, but I will get a hold of you after that. Hopefully you like what you saw in this video. The sub 250 crate has been very surprising and very good for every crate I've opened. There hasn't been any filler, no garbage in there, no weird trinkets like, I don't know, quad stands, stuff you're never going to use. So anyways, if you're looking at a monthly subscription crate and you like the idea of a sub 250 build, check this out. You're definitely getting more than what you're paying for a surprise build in the end. All right, folks, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Good luck, and make sure you get your entries in. See you around.